Travessa da Caldeira. This looks like kind of a quiet street. Looks really quiet, but I think it's going to have a lot of different changes in the future. So we're going to just try to capture it in time, because this whole area is changing quite a bit, and I'm going to definitely talk about that as well. But check out, yeah, check out these places are nice. Little Cinco de October even. I think I'll talk about that too. Look at that though. That's really, really cool. I might even walk around this whole thing, and then we're gonna focus on this street that we're on, and then it's right over here is the water. So there's Master's Hotel, and I'm gonna take it to the right, and we're gonna show you that the ocean is right over there. You can't see it because of this blockage. Let me just walk, and then I'm gonna stop the video, do my introduction, and then we're gonna come back and film. Yeah, right over there is where the water's at. You can see it straight through there. And there's a hotel. Looks like there's another street on the other side. Huh. Anyways, they're also changing this quite a bit as well. There's all this construction. Sorry, we're gonna come back in a moment, and we're gonna focus on our street, but there's just a lot of interesting stuff everywhere. Whoa. Whoa, there's a big electric line down. Okay. Man, there's lots of cool stuff. Okay, anyways, let's get into this. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Yeah, I'm gonna start right back here. So this is actually not our target street. Our target street is that one right there. But you can kind of see a lot of interesting stuff already in here. And I think it's gonna be poised for some changes. These are little floodlights for advertisement, it looks like. And they're doing something here, so they're doing an entire different structure here. This one looks super cool. This is just a tiny little, look at that. So this is part of Cinco de October. This street goes down, it takes about a 25-minute walk to get all the way down to the end of Cinco de October. So I'm just going to tie it into this one, but you can see some really beautiful architecture. That's just kind of amazing. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to come back to our target street. This one also has like these are kind of famous right here, these little pork chop buns. Coffee. Very good. Little pork chop bun. 26, it's really good. Looks pretty cool. Looks like a nice little restaurant to sit at. So this is the main street right here. So it looks like it's changing quite a bit. They're doing something here. Looks like they're also advertising a lantern festival. Okay, so we're gonna come back to our target street. And our target street is basically, it's kind of a cool looking thing though. Amazing. Okay, so our target street is actually this one. I wonder if there's a lady out on her balcony. I wonder if she can see the ocean from there. So another person on the rooftop up at the top as well. Okay, so our target street is right here. Travessa da Caldeira. Oh, what the heck's that? Those windows are kind of interesting like that, right there. Okay, so this is our Target. Really beautiful building already. If they ever do anything with this is just like a, I think that's like a parking lot. But if they can do something with that and change that, and that's like something pretty, this could lead into some really interesting little corner, especially with this balconies like this. But as it is, it leads into parking lot. Okay. It's just a parking lot. Got a Thai restaurant right here. So let's head down our Target Street. This is kind of funny, they got the ladder right here, and then that goes down, and then you have a fire escape. But you also have some balconies up there as well. So every balcony can technically take the fire escape. Okay. This is like a new restaurant right in here. Fish restaurant. So yeah, this street is kind of a quiet street, but I think it's going to be changing quite a bit because they're basically Wynn Casino is pumping in a lot of money to this area, and it's mostly going to Rua de Felicidade and also the harbor, so you can see some construction there. So I think in the future it's just all going to be have a different vibe and feel altogether. This is Bazaar Novo. That actually goes up to Felicidade. Travessa da Caldeira. Let me just see what Caldeira means. Maybe I'll look it up later. So now we're going to come up towards Rua de Felicidade, because the base of that has these hotels like this one, Hotel Manva. So this one is at the base of Rua de Felicidade. And actually you can see the signs for it. So I'm going to show you in a moment. So that's Travessa da Caldeira. Got a little thing that says Macau beer right there. And then this one goes up to Felicidade. This one continues down this main street, Caldeira. Then there's also Rua de Caldeira as well. So yeah, it doesn't look like much at the moment, but yeah, there's a bunch of hotels here. There's a hotel here, there's a few of them right in here, and then it goes up to Rua de Felicidade, which is where this historic sing-song girls, I guess I'll show you. So that's where all the entertainment, the gambling houses, the opium houses, opium dens, Fontan was the gambling. So up there was all where that was at. Then this is kind of marked by these hotels. So there's a bunch of hotels in this area as well. That's a nice car. And then this one is Felicidade. So we're just going to go up slightly and just kind of show you that a lot of people are coming now as tourists. So it's kind of celebrating the heritage of Macau, and this particular area in particular was kind of a opium, prostitution, bars, Fantan gambling houses. So people would come in here, and you can read about it right here, different languages. English, or if you want to read it in Chinese. Or you can read it in Portuguese. You can see a lot of tourists in this area now. And then these little Instagram things too. And we're gonna come back on out. So we're gonna just conclude our street, and then we'll end our video. Yeah, I can see a lot more tourists are coming. There's more hotels in this area now too. So a lot of people want to stay in the casino part, and other people want to see this kind of stuff. And they're both pretty cool. So we have to go down one more. Then you can see Pont 16 all the way down at the end. So that's a that's where the inner harbor used to be. So all the ships would come in there, and then the sailors and tourists, and they'd come in from even from Hong Kong. People would come over, right, and then they would go up to the Rua da Felicidade, that little street that we were just on. And we're gonna come back to our target street. Which is Travessa do Caldeira. You can see the sign right there. And then this is all black and white tiles in this little space here. And then that one doesn't have it, but yeah, you did see the end of it. There was some pretty interesting stuff down there. Especially that green building at the very end with has a giant fire escape, right? That fire escape kind of goes right down in the street. And if that parking lot wasn't there and there was something really attractive down there, it'd probably bring people right into that area. It would really change the feeling of it. Let's see what else is. I'm just gonna briefly go down. I just want to check out this little patio and just see what this is real quick. Oh, okay. Yeah, actually, I mentioned that one before. This little, that little patio right there, and if I remember right, that patio, the name is kind of funny. And the Portuguese person responded and said it was kind of a funny name, and they translated it, and even the translation sounded kind of funny. And I'm wondering now if it's an opium reference, because this whole area would have been awash with Fantan houses, hotels, which probably had a lot of prostitution, the prostitution itself, and a lot of opium dens as well. I filmed this one just recently. I don't know if it'll come up before or after this. I filmed it yesterday, so I walked up down that one and filmed it. But anyways, we're gonna come to an ending here for Caldeira. And then for the ending spot, we're kind of coming out to a tourist, kind of a tourist area. So this will just lead right down into Pont 16, the inner harbor. And they're putting a lot of money into that as well to change that. So we'll see how that changes over time. So, okay. So this is our target street. Hopefully interesting. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.
Toma cuidado la